Sage reporting for Kalkine Media. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for our trending news topic from the US. How to invest in American EV stocks. With US President Joe Biden coming to power in the White House, markets are waiting with bated breath to see the gradual shift from traditional energy to renewable power. And as the concept of clean energy becomes more popular, the electric vehicle industry is also expected to capture a wider customer base. At the same time, stocks surrounding the EV sector are also stirring interest among investors as green energy and emission numbers become rising trend topics. With that in mind, let's check out 17 EV stocks from North American markets that you should know about. Let's start with MAGNA International Inc. Canadian automotive industry supplier MAGNA International announced on February 19th that it will be venturing into the electric vehicle sector in collaborations with EV startup Fisker Inc. and battery maker LG Chem. The Canadian $32.9 billion market cap company saw its stocks expand by about 65% in the last 1 year. Since collapsing amid the pandemic triggered March lows, the scrips have approximately gained 193% in the last 11 months. Number 2 on the list is Lithium Americas Corp. Lithium is one of the essential ingredients required in the making of electric vehicles. As the EV industry continues to expand, lithium exploration firms are coming into the limelight as well. Vancouver-based resource company Lithium Americas, for example, saw its stocks surge by roughly 260% in the past year. The Canadian $2.9 billion market cap company recorded a share price growth of about 150% in the last 6 months and of nearly 57% year to date. Number 3 is GreenPower Motor Company Inc. GreenPower Motor, which distributes all-electric charter school and city buses, is one of the emerging companies on the Toronto Stock Exchange venture. The Vancouver-based enterprise currently holds a market cap of Canadian $638.9 million. GreenPower stocks grew by about 1,294% in the last 1 year. 4th on the list is FACEDRIVE Inc. Canadian ride-sharing service provider FACEDRIVE, which provides customers the option to choose an EV for their ride, launched an electric vehicle subscription service in Toronto earlier in February. FACEDRIVE said that it acquired Steer, an American technology-driven monthly subscription service, in September last year. 5 on the list is NFI Group Inc. NFI Group, which presently has 7,300 transit buses in service that are fueled by electric motors and battery propulsion, pays a quarterly dividend of Canadian $0.212 per share. The payout, as per the DMX data, reflects a dividend yield of 2.982% at the moment. Number 6 on the list, Li Auto Inc. Beijing-headquartered electric vehicle manufacturer Li Auto announced in its latest strategy, released on February 22nd, that it aims to be the top smart EV producer in China by 2025. The company currently holds a market cap of US $24.99 billion as per NASDAQ. Lucid Motors Inc. Lucid Motors became the talk of the town in January after rumours cropped up around its potential merger with blank cheque company Churchill Capital Fourth. The Special Purpose Acquisition Company, or SPAC, saw its stocks surge over the next few weeks, hitting an all-time high of US $58.05 last week, February 18th. Its stocks are currently up 473% year to date. Lucid Motors confirmed the merger rumours on Monday, making it official that the EV maker is heading for a public listing soon. 8th on the list is NIO Inc. Shanghai-based NIO Inc. saw its American depository shares balloon by nearly 370% since they debuted on the New York Stock Exchange in September 2018. More recently, the Chinese EV stock gained over 229% in the period of the last 6 months. Holding a market cap of US $78.08 billion, NIO is poised to reveal the annual and 4th quarter financials for 2020 next Monday on March the 1st. Number 9 on the list is XPeng Inc. XPeng recently reported that its electric vehicles being used for a cumulative 17.267 million kilometres in China during their New Year holiday week, February 11th to 17th, led to a 1,086 tonnes reduction in carbon emissions. 10 on the list, Siemens Energy AG engineering technology company Siemens Energy AG was picked up by oil producer TC Energy Corp recently to develop a waste heat to power pilot plant in Alberta. Known worldwide automation pursuits, the German conglomerate deals in the electric vehicle industry via its wing, Siemens e-mobility. Siemens stocks expanded by about 22% in the last 3 months. Number 11 is Tesla Inc. Tesla stocks have been white hot on the equity markets for roughly the past year, helping its founder Elon Musk snatch the golden title of world's richest person from Amazon head Jeff Bezos. The EV stock skyrocketed by about 280 in the last 1 year and currently records a 6-month growth of 67%. 12th on the list is Westport Fuel Systems Inc. Vancouver-based Westport Fuel Systems recently entered a deal to supply more than 1,000 truck engines to Amazon Inc. following the announcement earlier this month. Westport stocks had catapulted by roughly 40% on February 8th. Number 13 is Atlantica Sustainable Infrastructure plc. Infrastructure company Atlantica Sustainable owns a diverse portfolio of assets across North and South America, including conventional as well as renewable energy. Its stocks climbed 11% in the last 1 year. 14 is Fisker Inc. Fisker went public in October 2020 in a reverse merger with special purpose acquisition company SPAC. Spartan Energy acquisition getting more than $1 billion in cash. Since then, its stocks have climbed by about 66% in the last 4 months. 15 on the list is SolarEdge Technologies. Stocks of solar energy supplier SolarEdge Technologies rose by roughly 101% in the last 1 year. SolarEdge recently extended its supply contract with fellow solar energy company Sunrun. It currently holds a market cap of $14.65 billion. Number 16 is Sunrun Inc. San Francisco headquartered Sunrun Inc., which primarily provides residential solar panels and home batteries, also deals in the business of powering electric vehicles. The $14.7 billion market cap company records a stock price growth of 179% for the past 1 year. Number 17 on the list is QuantumScape Corporation. Last but not least, QuantumScape, a San Jose-based lithium metal EV battery manufacturer, is known for having major investors like Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates and Volkswagen. The company recently announced a breakthrough development of producing multi-layer battery cells, which saw its stock price fly last week, February 17th, since debuting on the stock markets in August last year. QuantumScape stocks have surged by about 459% in the span of 6 months. Thanks for watching. Sage here reporting for Kalkine Media.